Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Trick. Today we're doing the new Excel trick. In this, we will see the Excel Automate. So Excel Automate is a new feature launched by the Excel, and this is now available in the updated Excel. So Excel script is an office script that let you automate your day-to-day task, and you can create your edit scripts with the code editor, and you can run a series of Excel steps with a single button. Then you can share the scripts with the coworkers and to everyone in to improve their workflow, and they can add it and they can improve that excel scripts. So basically excel script, with the excel script you can record, replay and flow. So this is a three main feature of this excel script. Record is scripts, you can record it, you can do the task and they will be record like same like the vba. And replay, if you recorded the steps you can replay it with the single button. Then flow, so here you can, one of the benefit of this access script is that you can create a flow. So you can add the multiple scripts and you can create a flow, like the first this script will be run, then second, then third, then fourth. So that is very easy with this. So as excel script will be office script that designed for secure cross platform and for cloud based solutions. So let's see here about the excel scripts. So this is the one of the example I'm showing here. For the excel script I will write a script here. First of all we will see the automate tab. This is the automate tab, and you can see here we have the many options are available here. First is a new script, you can create a new script from the here. If you click here you can see here the code editor is here, and you can write your script. Is showing that function and the main, then workbook, then excel script dot workbook. So you can write here code and you can run it. Then we have some predefined scripts that provided by the excel. This is all are the samples. So you can click on anyone and they will be show you some data. Let's suppose I click on this create and sort format. So this is the script. Then I click on the run. Now you can see here automatically one sheet is added, and you can see here the data is here and some colorful data they have done. So I want to see what is a script behind of this. So I need to click here on the edit. Now you can see here we have all the script information, how they write it. So this is all the code are here, and it's very easy to write a script here because this is very understandable. It's related to the VBA. If you work on the VBA, so you can easily understand this uh, very easily. What is the Excel script? So this is the one of the Excel script is here, and you can edit it as you want if the pre-existing is available. Now let's suppose I want to create a new script. So how to create a new script? So I need to go on the automate, then I click on the new script. Also we can see here all script are there here, and also the automated task. So this is automate task. You can create a flow with this task, with this feature. So now let's suppose I want to create a new script. I want to do this is my one of the table I created here. This is a normal excel. Okay, I want to create, I want to convert this as a table, and I want to sort it, sort out this table. I want to sort. Okay, so how I can write a script for sorting? So for this I'm going into the automate, then I click on the new script. Now they're showing the code editor. Now they're saying the script 2. This is name. So let's suppose I'm writing here the sort underscore script. So you can write any name. So this is I write it s- sort under script. Now you need to write the code under these curly brackets. So my code all will be written in these curly brackets. Okay, so here I'm writing my code. Let's suppose first of all what we need to do here, we need to describe our sheet. Okay, so let's suppose I'm writing here let for let's suppose this is my sheet. Okay, for declaring the variable, so I write it here selected, then sheet, selected sheet. Okay, then workbook, this is my workbook. Okay, you can see here the all the options are visible here. Then in the workbook, what is my workbook? My workbook is get active. So I want to activate this current worksheet, current worksheet. So get active worksheet. then bracket open, bracket close. This is very simple script, and you need to close this line with the semicolons. Okay, in the VBA we are not closing with the semicolon, we are simply writing line by line code, but here you need to close it. Then I'm declaring a data as a table because I want to sort out. So I want to first of all convert this table, and then I will sort this table. So I write it here, let table is equal to selected sheet dot my add table. So first of all they will be convert this as a table. This is add table feature. Then I'm selecting my range. So what is my range? My range is a1 to here to here. So this is my range a1 to this last column is my c7. So I'm writing here a1 colon c7. This is my column, then comma, then true. So we want the table, so I write it the true, then bracket close, then semicolon. My line is finished. Now I want to sort this table, so I write it table get sort. So get sort method is like this, get sort, then bracket open, bracket close, this is a function, then apply. So I want to apply the sorting here. So I need to because if you're applying here some sorting, so you need to write any key, from which key you want to the sort out. So I write it the key, like in the Python we are writing the that dictionary key, same like here, the key, then comma, then we are writing here I want to write as I want as a descending, so I'm writing as a descending. You can see here in the above also showing that field and descending for des descending, then colon true. So I want to activate this, so I write it the true, and close. This is done. So now we need to run this script. So I click on this run. Now you can see here I run it. Now you can see here this is sorted by the serial number because I write it the 0 means a first column. Okay, let's suppose I want to sort out with the name. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here this showing that error line 4 is worksheet add table can't be overlap the another table, because this is a table already. I converted a table, so I'm converting as a range first, then I'm running my macro. Okay, so again I'm running my macro here. Now you can see here the my data is sorted as the descending and according to the name Stephen, Saurabh, Lee, Felix, Chin, and the Alexa in the below. So same like let's suppose I want to sort out with the salary, so that key number is 2. Then I need to remove this table, so I'm removing this table. Done. Now I'm running this macro, so I run it. Now you can see here this sorted as a salary. So this is a very basic example how we can use the script and how to automate with the Excel scripts, Office scripts. So this is already some scripts are here. You can see these scripts and you can write your own scripts. So this is all in this Excel scripts. Thank you guys.